This is Trey Ann with the FRVTA, and I'm at the Jacksonville Equestrian Center for a sneak peek of the 2025 Jacksonville Fall RV Show. Here at the Jacksonville Equestrian Center, everyone is working hard to prepare for opening day. If you've been thinking about an RV or you just want to see what's new, this is the easiest way to compare a whole lot of options in one place without driving all over town. With 5 dealers in one location, this multi-dealer show lets you step from one model into the next and see the differences instantly. More inventory, real comparisons, and competitive offers all in one trip. What I love about a multi-dealer RV show is how fast you can get clarity. You hop out of one rig, step right into another, and instantly feel the difference in layout, storage, and finishes. You don't have to guess from brochures or bounce between websites. You can sit inside them and decide what actually fits your lifestyle. You'll see a full range of RVs here at the show. Class A motorhomes that feel like rolling apartments with big slides, tall ceilings, and tons of storage. Perfect if you're planning longer trips. Class C motorhomes that are easy to drive and super flexible with that cab over bed that families love. We also have a great selection of Super Cs, Mega Cs, even Class C toy haulers. Class B camper vans that go almost anywhere, park almost everywhere, and make quick weekend trips a breeze. Fifth wheels with big living rooms and tall bedrooms that tow nice and stable. Travel trailers in every shape and size, from destination trailers to couples, coaches, and roomy bunkhouses. We have toy haulers of every type, with a garage for bikes and boards that doubles as a bonus room at camp. Truck campers that sit right in the bed of your pickup so you can get to those fishing spots down the forest roads. And teardrops, minimalist, clever, and cozy. If you're new to RVing, start by how you'll use it. For quick weekend trips, check out travel trailers or camper vans. For longer road trips with kids or friends, look at Class C motorhomes or bunkhouse trailers. For longer stays in one place, check out the fifth wheels and Class A's to feel the extra living space. Don't skip the vendor area. That's where you find gear and services that make trips smoother. There's also a daily door prize you won't want to miss. When you come in, take a moment to enter the drawing. We're giving away one $250 gift card every single day of the show. Whether you're buying your first RV, downsizing, upsizing, or just curious about what's changed since your last visit, see it all at the Jacksonville Fall RV Show. The 2025 Jacksonville Fall RV Show is being held October 2nd through 5th at the Jacksonville Equestrian Center. The gates are open Thursday through Saturday from 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. and Sunday from 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. For more information, please visit our website, frvta.org, and click on the show link on the homepage. Thanks for watching, and we will see you at the show.